Hello.
Louder.
Hello? Who are you?
Who are you?
What you standing on my corner for?
I'm pretty sure
You stand in the corner of my store and you make my store look like shit.
Excuse me. I don't have to get all angry. I'm gonna sound like a man because I get angry.
Shut up, bitch. Shut up, huh?
You know what?
Shut up.
You know what? Shut up, okay? Shut up. I'm not.
What the hell are you,
I'm
you
not.
fucking transvestite?
You make what?
You can do it for restaurant right
What?
now. You're making my customer go
I
away.
don't speak.
Sorry, hold on.
I don't speak.
I don't. Get the bombs.
Yeah, you gotta get the fucking cocks out of your mouth, bro. Cause I don't talk like that.
You have herpes on your lips, you fucking
Bitch,
hoe.
don't get the fuck out of here.
Bitch.
Oh.
Don't make me fucking hit you, bitch.
I'm fucking hit you with my head, my floating head.
Oh, hell no. Hell no. You crazy bitch. You are crazy bitch. You crazy bitch. You crazy. You crazy bitch. You crazy.
Okay, Indian man, you better shut the fuck up, okay? I will fucking slice you. Slice you!
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Okay? You in front of my store, you trying to say, you fucking bitch. You fucking bitch. Fucking